Hi everyone, if you're new to Google Docs, moving and positioning images might seem a bit tricky at first. In this video, I'll guide you through the simple steps to freely move and position images exactly where you want them in your document. Let's dive right in. First, open your Google Docs document and insert the image you want to work with. Once the image is inserted, click on it to select it. You'll notice a few icons appearing below the image. These icons represent the text wrapping settings, which determine how the image interacts with the text in your document. To move the image freely, you'll need to adjust these settings. Let's look at each option. In line with text. This option keeps the image aligned with the text, making it difficult to move independently. If you want to position the image freely, this isn't the right choice. Wrap text. With this setting, the image can be moved around freely, and the text will wrap around it. This is a good option if you want the image to flow with the text. Break text. This allows you to move the image freely, but the text will be separated from the image. It's useful if you want the image to be isolated from the text. Behind text. This option places the image behind the text, allowing you to move it freely while the text remains on top. In front of text. This option places the image in front of the text, giving you full control over its positioning. Depending on the wrapping option you choose, there are additional customization settings available. Margin distance. With Wrap Text, you can adjust the margin distance to control the gap between the image and the text. This helps in fine-tuning the layout. Move with text. This setting ensures the image moves with the adjacent text as you edit, keeping them together. Fix position on page. This option keeps the image in a fixed spot regardless of text changes. It's great for decorative elements or fixed visuals. For more customization, click on All Image Options in the text wrapping section. Here, you can set specific margins for the top, bottom, left, and right sides of the image. There's also a drop-down menu that lets you choose whether the text wraps around both edges or just one side. I usually choose the right edge as it's more convenient for reading. And that's it. You now know how to move and position images in Google Docs to fit your needs perfectly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. I will see you in my next video.